everyone! Good vibes! So for today's recipe, ito ang homemade cheese pandesal. Na napakalambot, buttery, at napakasarap. Pero madaling gawin at affordable naman ang mga ingredients. Tara, gumawa tayo ng pandesal. Sa mixing bowl, maglagay na ng instant dry yeast, salt, sugar, butter, whole egg yolk, bread flour.